Even if we don't realize it, in our everyday life, we come into contact with a huge amount of microorganisms, bacteria, and atmospheric agents. To protect us, there's a natural defense army made up of cells from the immune system, the white blood cells, which have two defense strategies. The first is based on the action of the phagocyte cells, which are able to recognize and eliminate microbes. The second one is carried out by the lymphocytes that produce antibodies and cytokines. These substances are able to organize the cells in our immune system into an army ready to fight together. Sometimes the immune system finds enemies that are too strong or get tricked or misled. In this case, the aid of external help is required and come in the form of drugs or other remedies. But it can also happen that the immune system can overcompensate and fight against things that are not really enemies, like in the case of allergies. Or in some specialized cases, the immune system can use friendly fire against a cell of our own body, which occurs with autoimmune diseases. Today, however, we have learned to educate our immune system to make it even more efficient. We have done this thanks to vaccinations, which have eradicated from the world some very dangerous microbes. Our health and our beauty are exposed to insidious dangers on a daily basis. But don't worry, there's the skin, which has the function of a real immunity organ. It acts as a barrier to protect us from the atmospheric agents and the entry of harmful microbes. If, however, something gets through, it can cause damage and inflammation. In this case, the skin relies on an efficient service of monitoring done by specialized cells, including Langerhans cells that act as centurions of the skin. These cells control the territory and recognize the many different substances and microbes with which the skin comes into contact. At the first sign of danger, these cells are activated. They capture the microbe and they transport it to the nearest police station, the lymph node. Here, the lymphocytes trigger the immunity response. But it doesn't stop there. The Langerhans also have another function. They turn off the inflammation caused by the entry of the microbes that, if not controlled, cause damage to the health and beauty of the skin. A healthy and vital skin has an effective immune system. The problem exists when the Langerhans cells no longer function properly. Protecting the immune system avoids many illnesses. Keeping it active and strengthening it preserves the health and beauty of the skin. How to do it? The key words are correct diet, physical exercise, and care of yourself.